Hi there. Let's learn 40 words together. These words are for beginners. Try to repeat them after me and then try to repeat the sentences too. Let's get started. Sign. Can you sign the form, please? Signature. I might need your signature. Order. I would like to order now. Cup. May I have a cup of coffee, please? Glass. 2 glasses for my sons, please. Bottle. Can you give us a bottle of water? Cook. What are you cooking? Beef. Roast beef. She doesn't like roast beef. Chicken. I would like chicken soup. Pork. Can I have pork steak? Without. Can I have it without cream? Fish. Do you have fish here? French fries, or in Great Britain, chips. They had fries for lunch. Steak. Did you eat that steak? Potato, in plural, potatoes. Those potatoes were bad. Rice. I didn't like the rice. Pasta. Do you like pasta? Tomato. We must buy tomatoes. Have to. I have to go now. Do you have to do it? Eat. What are you eating? Medium, well done, rare. My steak was well done. Cheese. I usually eat cheese for breakfast. Milk. She doesn't drink milk. Gluten, gluten-free. Excuse me, is it gluten-free? Dairy, dairy-free. I have to use dairy-free yogurts. Sparkling water, gently sparkling water. Can you buy sparkling water, please? Still water. 2 bottles of still water, please. Fizzy, carbonated. Tom doesn't like fizzy drinks. Shop. Do shopping, go shopping. Is there a shop near here? Say something. Say something. What did you say? Tell somebody something. Can you tell me where you are? Full. The bottle is full of water. Empty. My glass was empty. Half. Half portion. I would like half portion. About. What is it about? Let. Let her go. Let it be. Let me help you. Wait. Wait for. I was waiting for his daughters. Check. Could you check the car? More. We needed more time. Cream. I wanted coffee without cream.